One of the great things about this property is there are huge amounts of living space. Space for family or space to entertain. Just off of the lounge is the formal dining area, complete with a serving hatch from the kitchen. Ideal for formally entertaining guests if you're having a sit-down meal, friends and family. And if you are cooking up a treat, what better place to do it than this spacious kitchen. Huge range oven, plenty of worktops, plenty of space. And a utility room just off the side, with another wine cooler. As well as having an abundance of space for entertaining, you've also got this additional lounge cum study, giving the family more options, complete with an entertainment wall and its own fireplace. And upstairs, you've got another 5 rooms and a family bathroom. 5 doubles, one's currently used as a walk-in wardrobe, and the master bedroom at the end with its own ensuite. So if this is a bit of you and you can see yourself living here, please call Knight Edmonds on the number below.